Hi, I'm Jim, part of the product team here at Blindster.com. If you like the functionality of solar shades but are looking for something a little more stylish in your window, take a look at our premium textured solar shades. This is where intriguing color options meet innovative design. Let me show you what I mean. Solar shades are a great way to cut down on glare, heat, and bright sunlight while still being able to enjoy your view outside. The mesh fabric on most solar shades is made with just a single color, or sometimes two colors woven together to make a gradient color tone. These fabrics look good, but could be considered a bit plain on their own. Enter our premium textured solar shades. The unique fabric designs and colors are like a breath of fresh air when it comes to decorating with solar shades. You get the same functional characteristics of other solar fabrics, but in a collection of distinct colors and patterns to give your window a little extra flair. The metal hem bars on the bottom of the shades also provide a premium look. But what's a good-looking shade without great functionality? You have your choice of several convenient lift systems to raise and lower our premium textured solar shades. First is the cordless lift option, featuring the next generation of cordless mechanisms. Most cordless roller and solar shades have a spring tension system that needs to be released with an initial tug to open the shade, and then another tug to keep the shade in place. With these shades, all you have to do is push up on the bottom of the shade, and it glides up and holds in place wherever you let go. Just pull the handle back down, and the shade stays in place without any tugging or fussing. You can see just how easily this mechanism operates the shade. In case the cordless tension ever needs to be adjusted, there is a dial on the end of the roller tube to increase or decrease the tension as needed to get your shade working perfectly again. One additional bonus is that every cordless shade order comes with this 30-inch pole to raise and lower tall or hard-to-reach windows. The end of the pole clips into the cordless handle to push up or pull down the shade. The beaded chain is another lift option that works well for when a cordless shade is impractical. Just pull on either side of the nylon chain to raise or lower the shade. A safety tensioner holds the chain in place to help reduce the risk of it becoming a hazard for children or pets. You can also choose the motorized lift option to effortlessly operate your shades with the push of a button. You can even program a favorite position if you'd like to have the shades partially open. The remote control is easy to use, can work from anywhere in the house, and can control multiple shades, either individually or simultaneously in a group. Your shade will come with all the hardware needed for installation and will have this traditional open roll look. You can also opt for the fabric wrap fascia. This is a perfect designer touch, hiding the fabric roll and mounting brackets and covering the gap above the fabric roll. You can also choose either standard roll orientation or reverse roll. On a standard roll, the fabric rolls off the back of the shade and is positioned closer to the window for best coverage and light blocking. Reverse roll is recommended for when you have obstructions in the window, like latches or cranks. The fabric will come off the front of the roll further from the window glass. One final note about solar shades and view-through. Since the solar screen fabric is woven with slight openings in the weave, you're able to see through the shade during the day while it blocks damaging UV rays, reduces glare, and softens incoming light. It also provides daytime privacy by preventing anyone from seeing in. However, when the sun goes down, that view-through reverses. You won't be able to see out through the shade, but your room can be visible from the street when the lights are on. So if a solar shade is a good solution during the day, but you need privacy at night, you can add a second window treatment like drapery panels or a Roman shade above your window to block the view from the outside. This layered effect is not only practical, but really dresses up your window. To summarize, if you're considering solar shades to help reduce glare and heat gain while keeping your outside view, and are looking for something different when it comes to color options, definitely take a close look at our premium textured solar shades. You can order free color swatches to see the material in person, and we're here to help if you have any questions along the way.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.